y'all. Please bear with me with the prose notes for the week. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I'm still going to go through this. Okay, so we're going to be doing content celebrations updates. That means per content, there's going to be some type of celebration and for the community and school. Social studies is doing student government, soapbox day, civics for all. Science already started with their science expo. They're going to do a climate action day. Also inviting parents. ELA is doing a poetry cafe. They're going to invite families or record and send home videos. Math is doing rational war tournament, which we do on Zoom so parents can join. Special ed is doing an inclusivity, what is an IEP. ENL is doing a parent workshop supporting parents in English language and a multicultural night. PE is doing field day, the biking program. The next thing to talk about is the shop DOE orders for next school year. What are the needs and wants? We need to develop a shopping list via shop DOE. This is ASAP. December 18th is a hard deadline for items from Staples. You may not get what you want due to availability, but it's just important for that to be the hard deadline. Then we have uniforms, no pajamas, Crocs, slides, especially when it comes to safety and physical education. Some of the same students are frequently out of uniform, so we need to come up with some type of plan for that. Please share a reminder about hoodies and uniform with the department team so that we're consistent with one voice. We want to all be a part of the same team so that kids are not feeling like, okay, I go to this class, it doesn't matter, but this class it does, this teacher is like this. We all want to be in a uniform team. And we want to consider uniform when it comes to Tiger of the Month. Next on the list is these Yonder pouches. It's a lot of moving parts and something we're going to roll it out in spring. And it's a pouch where kids can hold the cell phones. I think it would be, we discussed it being a solution for students who are frequently getting in trouble with the phones. The questions are, will the pouch stay with the students throughout the day, or will the dean keep them, and so on. Next thing is we want to roll out grade team meetings for 2024, elect a grade team leader, potentially during OPW on Tuesdays once a month, discussion around students of concern, choosing protocol. I know we have department meetings by content, but if we have them by grade team, then we can actually discuss students' behaviors and things like that, which would be helpful. Next thing is leadership survey for Monday. The leadership team wants anonymous feedback. There will be raffle tickets available in the UFT Teaching Center periods 4, 6, and 7 and at the end of the day to win a prize for completing the survey. So this Monday, we will be updating crew assignments for 2024. We're going to review if there are students who would benefit from being in a different crew, and we're going to revisit the charter. Another important thing is that marking period 3 begins when we return in January. So we need to be on top of grades and make sure that we are on top of absences and, students who need support, because students will receive letters for promotion in doubt. They have time to show progress in Saturday Academy, after school, win time, etc. And this also will help us recognize if students need to be in an ICT setting. Next thing on our agenda is the map growth dates. Monday, January 15th, we have no school. Tuesday and Wednesday, January 16th and 17th will be ELA, middle of the year map testing. Thursday and Friday, January 18th and 19th, will be the math, middle of the year map testing. Teachers can use win time in the following week to do makeups. And even if there are students after win time the following week who need to make it up, Jean and Romano will be pulling them for makeups. Last thing on the agenda is the superintendent visit. We got positive feedback. Big ups to the classrooms that the superintendents visited. SEL, minimal teacher directed lessons, all teachers being utilized in the room. Scaffolding, paras were engaged with the academic content with students. Teachers being supported by mentors and UFT Teaching Center. So all in all, it was a really positive energy, and the superintendents were very pleased, which is really exciting. And last reminder for teachers about next week's Walkabout Tuesday, 12/19. Students are showcasing their talents from 3 to 6 p.m.